In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email to a board in Monday.com. Whether you're new to Monday.com or looking to expand your use of this versatile platform, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First things first, if you haven't already, open your web browser and head on over to Monday.com. Once the page loads, you'll see the option to log in at the upper right corner of the screen. Click that and you'll be on your way. If you've previously set up your account to work with Google or prefer using Google for easy access, you have the option to sign in with Google. Otherwise, you can manually type in the email address associated with your Monday.com account. After selecting the Google sign-in option, a prompt will appear asking you to choose the email address you wish to use. Simply find the account you've set up with Monday.com and click to proceed. Once you've logged in, navigate to the board you want to work with. Finding the right board is essential, as this is where you'll be organizing and storing your new email information. Look towards the right side of the board for a plus sign button located in the last column. Click on this button to expand more options. From here, you'll be directed to the More Columns section. This is where you can explore additional features and customize your board further. Find the text box and type in email. This search will help you pull up the right tool quickly. Once the email option appears, click on Add to Board, and just like that, you've added an email column to your board. Now that your email column is in place, it's time to put it to use. Click on an empty cell within this newly created column. This will allow you to input the email address you want to add. Simply type the email address directly into the first text box that appears. If you'd like a single view of your board, or if privacy is a concern, you can choose to display a name instead of the email address itself. To do that, type your preferred label or name into the second text box. This label will be what your team sees on the board, making it easier to identify contacts at a glance. And there you have it, your email column is now successfully integrated into your Monday.com board, ready to organize and streamline your communications. With this feature in place, managing contacts across your projects will be much simpler. Thanks for following along, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.